From a farmer's field to the sky. The story of Priya. Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there lived a young girl named Priya. She was born into a poor farmer's family. Her father worked day and night in the fields, struggling to grow enough crops to feed the family. They lived in a tiny mud house with no electricity for most of the day. Priya often studied under the dim light of a kerosene lamp, surrounded by the sound of crickets in the night. Deep in her heart, Priya always dreamed of something bigger. When airplanes flew over her village, she would look up at the sky with shining eyes and whisper, "One day, I will fly one of those." But the world around her was full of obstacles. Her neighbors laughed and said, "Girls from farming families don't become pilots. They marry early, stay home, and help with the farm." Even her relatives advised her parents, "Don't waste money on her education." Priya could have given up. She could have accepted the life society expected for her. But instead, she chose to take small but steady risks. She borrowed old books from her school library. She walked miles to attend free English classes in a nearby town. She practiced mathematics late at night, even when she was exhausted from helping on the farm. Her moderate risks didn't look extraordinary to others, but they were seeds of change for her future. Turning point. After finishing high school with excellent grades, Priya took a bold step. She applied for a scholarship program that trained students in aviation basics. She didn't know anyone in her village who had done this before. People mocked her. How can the daughter of a poor farmer ever dream of flying? But Priya believed. She won the scholarship. That was the moment her life started to change. She traveled to a city for training. At first, she struggled. Her English was broken, her clothes were simple compared to others, and she felt like an outsider. But she didn't let shame break her spirit. She kept reminding herself, "My background is not my destiny. My hard work will define me." Years later, through discipline, continuous study, and courage, Priya earned her pilot license. With further training, she got an opportunity to move to America. Imagine, the poor farmer's daughter who once stared at the sky was now sitting in the cockpit, flying an aircraft across international skies. Her parents, once worried about her future, now stood proudly in their village, telling others, "Our daughter is a pilot in America." Moral message for students. Priya's story is not just about becoming a pilot. It's about believing in yourself when no one else does. It's about taking moderate risks, studying when others sleep, walking miles for education, and daring to apply for opportunities that seem impossible. To every girl born into poverty, discomfort, or doubt, remember, your situation is temporary. Your dreams are permanent. If Priya, the daughter of a poor farmer, can fly above the clouds, you too can rise above every obstacle in your life. Don't let your background decide your future.